I mentioned that I'd also be discussing some other technologies you might be able to leverage. VPNs might already be in place to allow you to get your data transferred from one site to another safely. If it's already there and it's satisfying the need, you probably wouldn't be listening to this webinar though. I wanted to simply mention it because it might play a part in your overall strategy. VPNs are commonly set up between two networks to encrypt all the data between them. They are also commonly used between the network and a host, perhaps from a home office environment. VPNs provide lots of flexibility in what you can get access to, but easy access also means either more administration or less control. But it can be a great solution for the right problem. Since VPNs encrypt data, integrity is a usual good side effect. Also, some VPN software can provide compression. It's not always there, however. Since VPNs are implemented at a lower level of the IP stack, applications don't really need to make any special accommodations for the encryption. Unfortunately, VPNs are not usually a good choice for ad hoc connections. If you need to make occasional secure connections to some of your partners, one of the other technologies might be a better choice for that. In addition, when a VPN is implemented at the firewall, that's where the encryption ends. Traffic over the intranet is unprotected. I discussed that concern earlier. I'm not sure if this is a pro or a con, but VPNs are generally managed by the network group, so it might be something that can be offloaded, or it might be something that's outside your control. It kind of depends on your point of view as to whether that's a good thing or a bad thing.